What is up, Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and we are going to start repairing this quarter midget. If I can get the film on this video, I will. Of this crash, we hit the wall again. Another bent axle. Potentially, we definitely bent the shock, so the axle's gotta be bent. It'd be a miracle. I'm gonna start stripping this axle down. You guys can see how that's done, and we'll see if it's bent. I have a brand new axle, ordered some more axles. Hopefully it's not bent, but I'm pretty sure it is. So let's get that new axle on the car. So my daughter was doing really good. She was holding her position really well. The girl behind her had a lot of experience. Both girls on the track are good drivers. And the very last lap, the one girl made the pass, and my daughter did not back out and tuck behind her, even though the girl made the pass. And that was probably not the turn to try to race on the outside, but my daughter raced on the outside anyways, and now we are rebuilding the car again. Not too thrilled about it, but that is racing, as they say. I've learned to put all this stuff just right back where it goes. That way I'm not trying to find what bolt I had where. And that's kind of my method. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. You want an idea? See those radius rods? They are completely 90 degrees. So I don't have a lot of faith in this axle being straight. Here, I'll bring you around and show you how bent it is. This side over here, I'll show you what I'm lining up. So I'm lining up these holes, this hole to that hole. And this is the side that hit. Can you see the bend? See how this one sweeps back and this one keeps sweeping out? Get a better look from this angle. Now you can really see this one is the straight one, and you see the one under it that is bent. So we're going to put on the new one. She has a race Friday. Her other axle will be here hopefully soon. I'll call tomorrow and hopefully it'll be here soon. We got to leave next Thursday for Georgia. On these, so this safety pin goes right here through the axle, and everything seems okay there. This axle has a pill right here, and this is how you adjust your caster and camber on these Stanley RCR cars. The axle I'm putting in does not have this, but the one we will be racing in Georgia probably will. That would be the left front one. Normally I put all these pieces somewhere where I cannot lose them. Now we'll do this side. Allen key. On one. 1/2 inch on the other. Pretty much everything on a quarter midget is 1/2 inch. This is my right front, left front. I'm gonna go mark them. Okay everybody, so that's pretty much the gist of what happens when we bend the front axle, or anybody in quarter midgets. I got the car back together. I gotta get some oil and get this bushing down here to spin. I've heated this radius rod up and bent it back. I put 2 new right side radius rods. This right side steer is the same and the front pan hard bar is the same. The axle I did change. That's what I got going on. Pretty simple. Everything's 1/2 inch. Kind of breezed through it. I used, as you see, impact tools. And this weekend I am going to get everything set up between rims and tires. I got to fix my little tire compressor. I stripped the all thread that squeezes down on the tire compressor. I'll show you that real quick before we go. And I made a little jig, and I'm going to try to bend my 4 bent axles back. At least 2 of them, maybe I can bend back. So I got to get some tires ready, get my pit cart ready, get all my spare parts ready. So this week is going to be very, very busy. I'm going to go ahead and show you this little jig deal that I made up. So this is it. It's just 2 screws, and I drew the outline of the thing, and I'm going to try to bend. I got 3 axles there, and I got an axle there sitting on my TIG. So there's quite a bit to do still. I'm just working out these things. I'm going to try to scale the car on the scales that we have. Maybe I can get a reading before it zeroes out. Still need to get scales. The front radius rod kit was like $129. The axle was like $160. So it was like $299.94 for a front end collision. That's how much it costs. Sometimes it costs more. Sometimes we bend control arms and other things, or spindles, spindle bolts, things like that. Just a little overlook I want to show you guys. I'm Dustin. This is Dustin's Customs. And this is Racing Sutton, my daughter racing quarter midgets. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.